Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Well, it doesn't matter what I do. I'm here removing all my labels, as you can see, right? So the thing is, my work has decided not to work anymore. I don't know why. Um, Only time they work if I throw a box at them, and that's all. So I don't know what's going on after the latest update. It's just messed up all over the shot. Yeah, it's just a mess. I don't know what's going on. So you'll see the stack here. There it is. I can restart. I can do whatever I want. They do not work. I can boost them. I can do everything. The only thing I done on the computer is for them not to remove my labels on my racks. That's all. The rest they should do normally as they are automatically. When you, I can fire them, rehire them. Doesn't work. So I don't know, and I'm playing on Xbox S. So I don't know if some of you are also and have the same problem. Let me know down in the comments down below, but as you can see, they only are not allowed to move labels. That's the only thing. The rest is sorted out. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, yeah. Until then, I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, please guys. It does help. Until next time, thank you. Bye bye.